their company does located in.
Yeah, that's nice.
It's great. So
Okay.
you're based out in
Delhi. Yeah. South Delhi. Maybe just
Oh, yeah, got it. You're Calcutta.
yeah.
That's great.
Thank you. Very nice meeting you. Yes.
IIT, and I belong to Paytm as you can see here. So Paytm started in last year in April 2011. We are one of the most popular online recharge companies in India, where people can just come to our website and do a recharge in simple steps. So we have recently added bill payments to the website, and we have a loyal user base of around 1.7 million customers. Should I start again? शुरू से? ठीक है. Hi guys, Paytm. So working with Paytm as the marketing manager. So Paytm has become a very popular online recharge destination for the population of the country. We provide online recharge for mobile, DTH and data card as you can see here. And recently we also added a feature of bill payments. So you can go and you can pay your mobile and postpaid bills on our website. So it's very convenient, it's very simple. You guys need to visit our site once and you'll be hooked to it, I guarantee that. And we have an amazing feature of Paytm Cash, which is a wallet, where you can come and deposit your money in that wallet just once and use that for your further recharges and bill payments. And you can recharge through SMS also. Once you have money in your wallet, just SMS from your number the amount that you want to recharge, and your phone will be recharged instantly. Isn't it great? Thanks.
Its own portal where you can come and order commercial printing online. The USP of a portal is that if you have your professional files like Photoshop, CorelDRAW, InDesign files of your brochures, catalogs, flyers, leaflets, letterheads, almost 10 products we have launched online. So when you come to our portal, what you can do? You can order brochures. How to start? You can go to our portal and check whether free paper samples you can order. We will dispatch you a free paper sample kit where it looks like this. It is having more than 25 kind of papers. You choose one of this paper and select the option on the brochures. Show the paper. Okay. These kind of papers are available and we dispatch it through overnight couriers. Now what companies do, they choose the paper according to their requirement for their project, and then they choose the flat size of the brochure, say for A5, A4, 11 by 17 inches or 11 by 24 inches. Then you can choose folding. This gives you a liberty to create a creative foldings, half fold, Z fold, accordion folds and all. And you have a helping articles as well where you can see what kind of foldings you can do with that. And then you can choose specification of coating, lamination. You don't have to make even a single call to anyone. You will get the pricing immediately, dynamically. Say for you have a budget of 10,000 rupees and your pricing is coming for 11,000 rupees for a particular event. Then you can choose a lighter paper over there, or you can make a call to us. We will help you out there. So you choose that way you can actually, according to your budget, you can get your printing. The benefit is we are giving a hard copy and soft copy sample proofs, and you can choose your production time as well. So you have a lot of freedom in our portal, and the companies are really looking for this kind of solutions as they are spending a lot of wasting time. They are spending time and wasting without of any results. They give 10 printers, they give call, and then they don't respond, they don't turn up in time, or they didn't deliver. So they are not satisfied. So this is one of the best portals. We would say we are really committed for the quality and commitment. Thank you.
Low orders issue. Immediately you cannot get the bulk order customer. You have to reach to other small customers also. Might be.
Your business is mainly based on railways, no sir?
Yeah.
Like, how do you go about to take that step? Like, in Bangalore we have BMTCs, just like how we have railways, a lot of metros. So if you want to incorporate BMTC into our business, what should be the steps followed, sir?
Then what happens from the customer collection? You should have transport system from your train. That you should generate, and from there you should carry on. For example, you can prepare particular size of basket or particular box where the particular number of cloths can be stored and can transport easily. So what you call BMTC?
Yes, sir, BMTC.
Then BMTC. And of course, I don't know then what BMTC having the compartments. They have luggage
we
compartments.
don't have railways over there. We have like lots of buses.
Buses only.
Yes, sir.
Bangalore Metro.
Then buses may not be allowed this transportation. The huge box or huge basket, they may not allow.
Yes, sir.
So I don't know how you will carry that.
Yes, sir.
Then you can have that, you know, that within cloth only you can pack up and you can send then it's possible.
Yes, sir.
But I like it, your business, please. Just follow some principles.
Yes, sir.
Timing, no mismatching, no misdelivery,
Yes, sir.
no wrong delivery.
So, and in packaging case, we are thinking of packaging it ourselves instead of giving it to laundry providers, because there would be no mismatch of
There will
clothes.
be a validation. Also.
Validations also at the same time.
In Mumbai also very big Dhobi Ghat, you must be knowing.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Lakhs of cloths are every day they clean, but they never mismatch.
Yes, sir.
These people are very expert.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, I am also qualified. The qualified people can make mistake, but these people will not make mistake, might be. As far as the numbering and delivery is concerned.
Yes, sir.
I think so.
Then how do you see scope of laundry aggregation? Something.
Actually, I don't know, it's a good,
So there are no players in this
Currently there are no players in the
in
market.
India,
that's why it's good.
and mainly we are not processing it, so we'll be able to handle more volumes.
See, if you do the business very differently, or if you do the business passionately, I think no business is having a problem.
Yes, sir.
Fortunately, your business not in India now, you say.
Yeah.
Even it is India, you can go ahead.
Yes, sir.
You must do.
So, and for entry barrier,